Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Techtronics Sedan Berhad. We are the LED Display Design Manufacture House. In front of us, this is a 6-digit production counter display panels. And today we have privilege using the Autonics products. This is a Autonics products. It's a CT series programmable digital counters. And also, this is a Autonics series BJ series sensors. Let's start our presentation today. We will see that this CT series, there are two figures. One is 93 and another one is 100. That means the 100 is the target for your production plants. So assume that this is a product. When you go through the conveyor, it will keep on counting. So of course, when it reach 100, it will move out to the alarm output, and the alarm output will trigger the revolving light. Let's try it. So you see that the output is trigger. So to reset the revolving light, can be press, reset. So this is how it looks like. So of course, when it comes to these digital counter display panels, it is a weatherproof, and the character height for the digit is 160 mm. And these Autonics sensors with this reflector can be connected up to 3 feet and above. So the sensitivity of the sensor is very good. So if, for example, if let's say I use the 4 finger, when I go through, it will like connect, it will jump very fast. So usually this is how we test. If you like my video, please like, comment and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.